Good morning, students. How are you? This is SST lesson for class 5, unit 1, the earth and the environment. Open your books, page number 1. Let's start looking at regions. Regions are areas that have common features. All countries of the world can be divided into regions based on different characteristics. A climate region is an area that has a common climate. For example, a climate regions or are called climate regions. Regions can also be based on physical features. For example, area with mountains are classified as mountains regions. Dividing large area of land into regions help us to better understand them and their special characteristics. Pakistan can be divided into following regions based and physical characteristics. Mountain in the northern area, plateaus, the Potohar Plateau, desert in Sindh and Balochistan, plains, the Indus Plain, delta in Sindh coastal area. Turn the page. Let's explore some physical regions of the world similar to those found in Pakistan and look at the life of peoples there. Mountains. Mountainous regions of Pakistan and Nepal are similar. In Pakistan, these regions abound in vast glacier, fast flowing rivers, large lakes, and green valleys. Some of the highest peaks of the world are located here. The highest being K2 at 28,250 feet 8610 meter. It is second only to Mount Everest, located in the mountainous regions of Nepal, its height being 29128 feet 8878 meter. The topography of Nepal is similar to the northern regions of Pakistan. In the mountainous regions of Pakistan, people make a living through agriculture and tourism. The scenic beauty of the mountains attract tourists from all corners of the world. Similarly, in Nepal's mountainous regions, the people's livelihood depends on arable agriculture and cattle breeding. They also engaged in the sale of the herbal medicine collect from the forest. Tourism is a good source of income for the peoples. Plateaus. The plateau regions of Pakistan are quite similar to those of Iran. They both have dry hills which contain deposits of mineral and other natural resources like oil, natural gas, coal, limestone, and gypsum. Deposits of oil found in Iran are much greater than those found in Pakistan. Turn the page. In Pakistan, the Potohar Plateau and the Salt Range are located to the south of the mountainous region. The Attock Oil Refinery, which in located area Rawalpindi on the Potohar Plateau, in the oldest in the country. In the salt mines of Kevra, rock salt, gypsum, and limestone are quite. The Rik Oil Refinery is one of the largest in Iran. It is located in Iraq, which is one of the main industrial cities of Iran. Pupils living in the plateau regions of Pakistan and Iran engaged in agriculture. Many pupils work in the quarries and the oil drilling companies as well as refineries. Plans. The Indus Plain regions is quite similar to the Gangetic Plain regions of India. Both plains are fertile and densely populate. The majority of peoples live on the plains are engaged in agriculture because the soil is fertile and water is plentiful. Both regions grow two types of crops, the Kharif and the Rabi. The Kharif crops grown in summer includes cotton, rice, maize, millet and sugarcane. The Rabi crops are grown in winter and includes wheat, pulses, gram and mustard. Desert. The third desert regions of Pakistan extends to India. The Sahara and the third desert lie more or less in the same latitude between 23° to 25° north. Turn the page. The inhabitants of these regions depend on what little agriculture is possible in the oases and grazing for animals. Most of the peoples are engaged in raising livestock such as cattle and camels, donkeys and goats. Life in the desert is harsh of difficult because of the climate or lack of water. Delta. The Indus Delta is Pakistan is similar to the Nile Delta in Egypt in that they both form the shape of a bird's foot when they flow into the Arabian and Mediterranean seas respectively.
The Mississippi and the Indus Delta are good breeding places for prawns, shrimps, and fish, so people living in these regions can earn a living through fishing. The Indus Delta is rich in mangroves forest.